Well, it is day 3 and it's raining a little bit. It wasn't in the forecast. Slept good last night. Left a little, woke up a little late. I woke up at 6:41. Left camp at 7:50, and I have about maybe 17 and a half or 18 miles to go to Queen Wilhelmina Lodge. Yeah, the leaves and the rocks are slippery today, so I have to be really careful. Soon I'll be passing Pashubi Shelter and then climb up that Wilton Mountain. I'd call it the Great Smoky Mountain of Oklahoma. Okay, let's crack on. Let me speak Indonesian to my parents so they understand. Memi and Pepi, Ouachita Trail ini mulainya dari ujung Oklahoma, sebelum apa namanya, batas Oklahoma dan Arkansas. Jadi sekarang masih di Oklahoma. 12 mile lagi bakal masuk Arkansas. Yep. I hope they understand. I'm trying to explain to them that the trail started in Oklahoma. And then in 12 miles, I'll be crossing. Am I lost? I think so. Maybe not. Into Arkansas. Why is it overgrown here? Let me check. Okay, I was a bit lost, so I had to come back. But I'm glad I came back because I found a water cache for hiker. I need some water. Thank you. Okay, this is how I got lost. I went straight there because it looked like there's a trail, but look at the sign and there's a blue blaze here. Oh my gosh, how did I miss this? How did I miss this switchback? I thought I looked carefully, but I just passed a few creek beds that are dry. Oh, so slippery. This is the 4th one. Much less water than March and April. I have begun my 2-mile climb of 1,000+ feet up the Smoky Mountain. Mile 35. It's so absolutely beautiful. I keep stopping to admire all this trees and the colors and the serenity. This is why I'm here. All this. An hour and 3 minutes later, I made it. Oh my god, the last 0.5 mile was brutal. Look at this campsite. The forest is very foggy today. Gives it an eerie look. I love it. I'm glad that's done. That was tough. Oh, and don't ever wear shorts around here. I wore shorts the last time and there's so many thorny brush and briars. I cut myself. My knee got caught in a loopy, thorny thing. It's looping and my knee got caught in the middle of it. And I moved forward. I was like moving fast. So it left a deep, deep scratch, cut. It's permanent mark. I'll put a picture. All right, only downhill from now on. Thank goodness. This, for example, you're hiking, and then you can get caught in this thorny thing. Actually, this is where I get my cut. Look, all this thorns. I can't get through there. I think people go over here. There's thorn here too. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Yeah, I remember this. This is where I got my cut, right here. I think it might be this one. I don't know. Yeah, this is a loopy. I got my knee caught in that. All right. No more cuts, please. After an endless decline of Wilton Mountain, I finally can enjoy some flatness. It's so beautiful. There were a lot of rocks. I think the rocks just never end. It's always rocky here. The water is low. There's another hiker. That's the guy that has a truck parked at Ouachita Trailhead. He's going 10 miles that way, and then he's coming back today and going the other direction. Section hiking. I have to cross Ouachita River. One of the crossing. I don't know where to cross. My feet are already wet, so I can just go. Oh, I don't know, maybe here. Ooh, that's deep though. Maybe there. Yeah, there's more rocks there. Oh my god, it's so slippery, you guys. I better turn this off. Okay, I'm gonna tape the crossing. Hopefully I don't fall. Like Carrie. Oh, it's so slippery. No. Okay, it's shin deep right now. Oh god. Halfway. It's getting deeper and deeper and more slippery than ever. Almost there. Okay, I think I'll make it. It's cold. Oh, now where's the trail? Okay, maybe this is where I got lost. I saw a blue blaze on this side. Yeah, there's a blue blaze there. I think I gotta cross another one. I think this is maybe where I get all scraped up. I was going through here. It was in the dark, so I don't know what it looked like. I have to rewatch my video. Okay, there's a blue blaze, so I'm supposed to go there. Okay, I see it. Another crossing at mile 42.8 maybe. I think this is it. but the water at the time back in March was higher and stronger. I think because it was so dark, I couldn't see that blue blaze over there. This is a trail right here. I think I crossed here and got stuck in those briars and thorn bushes. That's where I got all scratched up. Okay, I now know what it looked like. It is deep though. It is like maybe thigh deep over there. So I'll have to cross here. Wow, I was lost. I was lost in there for 10 minutes. I can't believe it. Okay, hopefully I don't fall this time. Here we go. Well, I didn't fall at that time, but I just got lost. There's a rock. And at the time I couldn't see where the rocks were because it was so dark. It was my own fault. I decided to night hike not knowing I didn't have the right equipment. That was my first time night hiking. My headlamp wasn't strong enough to see the blue blaze. And at night it looked completely different. Okay, I'm at mile 43.8. The trail turned to the left. Getting out of the valley, climbing up a mountain for 2.5 miles until I reach the Arkansas and Oklahoma line, the state line. It's 2.5 miles, 1,200 feet climb in 2.5 miles. It's foggy again. I'm looking for the campsite where I camped before after getting scratched up, hiking in the dark. Should be close, mile 44.4. It was hard to find this campsite in the dark. It is so beautiful. Stunning. Wow. I didn't know it looked like this. Yeah, I don't like night hiking. You can't see anything. What's the point? You can't enjoy the view and the surrounding you. There it is, mile 44.4. That's it right here. But that night I was looking for it. I was over there, and then I finally found it. It's right off the trail, and I set up my tent here. Right there, this spot. I slept here in March. Memory. Okay, let's crack on. A lot of climbs. Hmm. .6 more miles till the state line. I'm so knackered. I'm turning British now. I'm thinking when I get to the road, I think I'm just gonna road walk back to the lodge. I am so tired. I've done this part of the trail anyway, so I have my footprints already on this trail all the way to Foreign Gap. So, and I'm so hungry. I can't stop thinking about food that I'm going to have at the lodge. So, as of now, I think I'm gonna road walk back. This trail is difficult. So difficult. It's up and down, up and down, up and down. Obstacles, rocks, roots, rocks, a lot of rocks. Up and down. No. Alright, I made it to the state line. I'm in Arkansas now. The lodge is still 5.3. Oh my god. There's water cache for hikers here. I don't need water right now, but yeah, there's a lot of water. 1, 2, 3, 4 jugs. I am so tired, you guys, so I'm gonna road walk since I've done that part already anyway. I was struggling. That was the hardest. That last climb right there. I had to stop every 0.1 mile. Catch my breath. Hopefully I don't get hit by a car walking here because it's foggy. Car might not see me. Oh my god. This way I can walk faster and arrive at the lodge earlier. I have a lot of chores. I have to wash my clothes by hand, eat, edit my video, contact my family, and arrange my resupply. Alright, I'll let you know when I get there. Very foggy. I only saw one car going the other direction. I'm about 3 more miles to go with speed of 4 miles per hour walking on this road. Here is a historical marker of Pioneer Cemetery. I've seen the cemetery when I was on the trail before. There's access from the road. Very cool. I wish the weather was better so I can go down there and see it again. But yeah, 1.5 more miles to go. But the cemetery looks really cool in this condition. Almost there. Oh, I'm so hungry. My legs are tired. I'm at the lodge. You can barely see it. It's like going to a lodge, the hotel in The Shining, the movie The Shining. I made it. 4:06 p.m. and I made it to my room. I'm so happy. Oh, my legs are so sore. Okay, I'm gonna dry out my gears. I'm not wet actually, just my shoes and the rain fly of my tent. And then I'm gonna get some food and then wash my clothes. Oh,